Hey everyone, welcome to Poplar Ridge Farm. Believe it or not, this is our garden area, and we need to get this area cleaned up so we can get ready for planting. Today is Memorial Day 2021, and first and foremost I just want to say thank you to our veterans and all who are actively serving in our military to keep us safe and protected and give us the right to be free to do things like we're doing here on this farm. So a big shout out and a big thank you to anybody who's watching or that is serving or has served or knows somebody who's serving, has a loved one that's serving. We thank you very much for your service. So we support our military and our veterans, of course, and I have family members who are serving and who have served also. So thank you very much. Today we're going to clean up this garden space and hopefully get it ready for planting. We have a bunch of seedlings we need to get in the ground, and as you can see, it's been a while since we've cleaned up this area, so I'm going to start by brush hogging down the big stuff, and then we're going to get the weed eater out and clean up the other areas. We've got some compost we need to spread and seedlings to get in the ground, so come along with us. matter of a couple hours, we were able to knock down all the weeds out here, and we actually got all of our seedlings planted off camera. My wife wasn't a big fan of being on camera today while she was out here working in the heat. She did most of the planting while I did the weed eating and cleared out the brush and used the tractor. So you know, I think it looks pretty good. Last year we mulched this whole area with hay, and so there's still a layer of mulch there. Most of the weeds you see growing are just sprawling along the top, a lot of ground ivy and other weeds. Ideally, I would love to mulch this garden with wood mulch or wood chips, but I just don't have access to those at the moment. So I am looking for some, but we'll just have to see how it goes. I'm also really thinking about using some plastic on the areas we're not planting. You might go see Country View Acres. He uses some nice plastic to keep his garden weed free. It's really nice. So I might do that in some of the areas I'm not planting. I don't like to use it where I am planting because I want to add compost and grass clippings and things to the soil to help it grow and to be more beneficial for the soil. I don't want to block the nutrients from going down into the soil. So just some things I'm thinking through. But it's been a beautiful afternoon, but I think it's time for us to go sit on the porch and cool off and just enjoy the rest of our Memorial Day. Hope you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.